Next thing we got is that PC that I showed y'all. Windows PC, custom made, Jinx inspired PC, looks amazing. I also added like the Jinx color schemes onto the PC, so it looks extra amazing. All right, W glaze, because that shit looks amazing. If you guys are interested in the specs of the PC, I'll put them around here, somewhere around there, so you guys can see. I actually don't remember how much I paid for that PC. It was a few bands. I'll keep it a buck. It was a few bands. We'll keep it at that. It was a few bands.